What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Are you happy? Ladies and gentlemen, heading to my next service call. New customer in Valley Stream. Customer has a Weil McLain gas boiler that last night was making some crazy amounts of noise, so she shut it down, and right now she currently has no heat. Let's go see what's going on. I'm right around the corner.
Thank you for coming.
Hi,
I'm sorry.
my pleasure.
Very sorry.
It's okay.
We woke up to chirping
From the boiler, I heard.
at 4:30 in the morning, and I got scared, so I shut it.
Okay. Hi. When's the last time you had some service done on this boiler?
When was the last time, Kathy?
Last year with Mike.
Yeah.
He came, he cleaned it.
Who?
Not this September, last September.
Oh, we were here?
No.
Oh,
no,
no.
a different Mike.
A different Mike.
Mike's everywhere.
Behind you, too.
Mike.
Wow. Okay.
So we shut it because I got scared.
Sounds like a belt or something. Is there a belt in it?
No.
It's a
No.
like a claw belt.
All right. A little bit of rollout right there, it looks like. She's an old one.
Yeah, she's old.
All right. You turned off the power.
Yeah, that's the power.
All right, let's see what happens. All right.
Yeah, that wasn't the noise it was making. It was chirping like a bird. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
You have a thermostat upstairs?
Yeah.
You want to turn that off? That run for 3-speed circulator. Yeah. It's like a bird.
Between me coughing and
Yeah.
the bird chirping over there.
So it's the circulator for your second floor that's making all that noise.
Upstairs? Why is it always upstairs? Nobody's up there.
I hear you. So the solution here is to replace the circulator. All right, ladies and gentlemen. After some discussion about the condition of the boiler with the homeowners, I gave them a few options. Option number one, we can replace the circulator for that second floor zone that's chirping away like that. I was like, but if there was ever a time, if there was ever a time to replace the boiler, now's the time to do it. I was like, because you're going to spend, with the emergency trip charge, the hourly rate as an emergency, and the circulator, you're going to be upwards of $1,000, right? And I don't normally talk about pricing on this channel, but, which is considerable on this boiler that hasn't been properly maintained, likely since the day it's put in. They brought up a company that used to service them. The sticker wasn't on the boiler, by the way, but I was like, it's unfortunate. They're a large company here on Long Island, located in Seaford. I'm not calling out anyone's name though. I was like, but what your complaint about them is common. I hear that from former customers of this company. And I was like, it's unfortunate because they have such a great presence in the area, but they're known for, not being responsive to customers' needs. So I give them an option. Here's the circulator replacement. A traditional cast iron boiler like the Weil McLain CGA 4, for example. which is perfectly sized for that smaller home, or the Weil McLain Ecotech. Give them some room. You know, square footage of that closet is valuable. You know, ended up selling him the Weil McLain CGA4 gas-fired boiler with 3 zones. Got him financing through Synchrony. They applied right on my website. I sent them 3 estimates using House Coal Pro. One was the boiler cast iron. One was the Ecotech boiler only. And one, which we entertained for about 15-20 minutes, relocating the boiler to where their water heater is, a power vented water heater, and giving the whole closet back with an Ecotech combi wall hung boiler. So not bad, not bad. A little after 11 o'clock here on December 31st. Thank you so much for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Happy New Year's, guys.